is the highest quality water on the planet. Hi there, Matthew Armstrong here, and I want to tell you that the biggest reason why people don't buy a Kangen machine off me is because they do superficial research. And so maybe I present it to them, I show it to them, and then they go, I'm just going to go and, I'm just going to go and check it out online. And they either go home and check it online, or they go, that's amazing, I'm going to go home and tell my wife about this, my husband about this, whoever. And they go home and tell them, and they go, hold on a minute, let me check this one out. And they go online and do superficial research, which often takes them 30 minutes or an hour or 5 minutes, who knows. And what they usually come up with is, what they usually find is the manipulative marketing tactics of the competition. Because suddenly they go to Amazon, they go, look, I found a cheaper machine that's even better. How many plates does the K8 have? It has 8 plates. How many plates does the so-called competitor model have? Look, it's got 11 plates and it's cheaper. That's manipulative marketing from the so-called competition, because there actually is no competition. Because when you really look at it, this is the only medical grade water ionizer on the planet that is endorsed by over 6,500 medical doctors and has stood the test of time with a 46-year-old company that has the deepest, strongest integrity you can imagine from Japan, you know. It's an OEM company, original manufacturing company, so nothing's outsourced, everything's made in-house in laboratory environment. Every technician who puts the machines together has their own personal signature on the machines. So if there's one thing wrong with it, it goes right back to one individual in Japan. This is how the Japanese operate, you know, just those stringent operating standards that they have. So there is nothing like this, absolutely nothing like this. So I did deep research, but I didn't do as deep research as a doctor. And I'm going to post the links to this doctor below, because what he actually did, and he had like an even stronger reason why, because his daughter had serious health challenges, and so he understood about the power of water and ionized water. So he tried about 8 different machines, and it was only when he got this machine that his daughter got better. So he wanted to understand that, and he tore the other machines apart to look at their internal workings. And it really was like, you know, the Wizard of Oz. You know, you pull away the curtain and there's this little guy operating these controls. And with these other so-called competitor models, the reason they can be cheaper is because they're using these very low quality components inside. You know, one of the main things in the machine that helps do the real magic is the plates, is the titanium platinum dipped medical grade plates that the water runs over. And then there's a transformer inside, a very powerful transformer, and the more power you can put into that water, the more electricity, the more potent that water becomes as well. So the mixture of that, of the plates and the transformer, make this, you know, in a completely different league to anything else. So when this doctor pulled the machines apart, and I'll show you the link below, what he found was the plates were completely different to the plates in the Kangen machine. And he zoomed in on them with a microscope and saw how poor they were, how the rough surfaces were, that they were much smaller, flimsy, and he saw that they were actually burnt out. Some of the plates were burnt out on his old machines, meaning heavy metals were getting leached into his family from these other machines. He was finding mold. He's cutting open the pipes and he's finding mold in the other machines because they don't have a proper deep cleaning process that will clean any possible mold out, that would clean the calcium off the plates, and that's another huge one as well. So these competitor models are actually harming people, not helping people. So when you buy a Kangen machine, what you're buying is peace of mind that the water you put into your system, into your body, the water you put into your family's body, your children's body, that's going into every single cell of their body, is the highest quality water on the planet, bar none, bar none. Do the deep research. Do 100 hours of research before you come back to me saying anything different. And you'll see the truth for yourself as well. And also the proof is in the pudding. There's so many testimonials of Kangen Water from just end users, people who have no other vested interest other than go, wow, look what this has done for me. You don't get that with any other machine or any other type of water. Thanks for watching.